This video demonstrates how to use Assignments and Grade Passback on the Activate Learning digital platform when your district is integrated with Canvas. Assignments ensure that students know exactly what activities to work on. Students can easily find and launch assignments from Canvas. Let's see how it works. To create an assignment, teachers should first choose the lesson they'd like to work with and then click the Assign button. In the resulting window, select the section or sections you'd like to receive the assignment. Teachers can assign to multiple sections at the same time, as well as to a group of linked sections. Next, choose an activity. Again, you can choose one or more options. You also have the option to select a display date. This determines when students will first see the assignment. If you leave this box blank, the assignment will appear immediately. Finally, select a due date for your assignment. Then click the Assign button to submit. When the window closes, your assignment has been submitted to Canvas. Now, let's look at the student side. When students visit their course in Canvas, they'll see their new assignment in the list of materials. When they open the assignment, they'll be able to click an assignment link to launch the activity in Activate Learning. Students will be signed in automatically using their Canvas credentials. When the assignment launches, students will see the current assigned activity. They can also access any previous lessons if needed under the Lessons tab. Students can enter responses to lesson questions, which will be automatically saved with a timestamp as the student types. Saved responses are automatically submitted to the teacher in Activate Learning as soon as the timestamp appears. When the full assignment is ready to submit, the student should click the Turn This In button. This will mark the assignment as submitted in Canvas, so the teacher knows the student is done working. Now, let's look at grading. To grade an assignment, teachers will go to the Assign drop-down in the left sidebar and choose one of the grading options. Next, they'll choose a lesson to grade, the assignment, and the class. Teachers will see a notification if work has been completed. Teachers can enter the scoring and can add comments for students, including custom or pre-made comments. As the teacher grades questions, the overall score is automatically tallied. The teacher also has the option to override the raw tallied score with a custom scoring. As soon as it's entered, the tallied or custom score is automatically passed back to the entry for the assignment in the Canvas gradebook. To learn more, go to activatelearning.com.